Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. And my people, as they subscribe, they put like for me too. I beg when they put like because it's not easy. It's not easy to call the talk video. They make una they happy. So I beg, at least when I see they pick one or two things for our advice, when I see they put thumbs up for me, I beg. So thank you everybody. My people. That is why you know, so that they talk and say, ask girl not good though. Ask girl not good though. This one. His step sister, now I do on this one. His step sister, now I do this gay, this one. So this story when I want to talk about today, say she don't deal with her husband for years. This our lady, for years they don't deal with her husband. She no get belay for her husband. So the day, so we can carry a step sister neighbody. So step sister they help him. They do everything for house, you know, so they come do together. So, he don't know, say, my people, this one has step sister. I do his sister, this one, so our step sister, I do on this one. He says, so he don't know, say, his husband, they chop his step sister, ample, ever since. She don't know. She just did there like Ugbeke, you know, even know say see wetin her husband they do. She now they look for pikin for her husband, she never get belle. He say so one day he come say the way his stepsister come be, it don't change. He come they look am wetin dey happen. Now when they come, before she even know, the belle don't even go far. His stepsister don't get belle for her husband. She don't know. And you know, on the funny part of the thing, his stepsister they get belle for her husband. She too constantly taking for her husband. He don't know how she wanted to do this one now. She don't find that now, say his stepsister get belle for her husband now. She now too now don't still get belle for her husband. She don't know what to do now. She just dey confused like how she want do this one. His stepsister get belle, she now don't get belle. So how they want to talk this one now? How they want to do this one? But then he say because he don't feel bear am, say his stepsister get belle for her husband, you come born for her husband. She too will still born for her husband. So your husband now want come marry the two of them now be waiting. So he say he don't know what to do. She dey cry, say because if not be this belle now for come out, he don't know what to do. Supposedly the belle now didn't they look for her since now the belle can come. The same time with his stepsister. Whether may she remove her or may she leave her. Now be the advice which she say she need now. My people, sometimes if you hear some kind things, you will shock. Even me, I don't hear this kind of thing like this for even social media. I hear something like this that time before the thing constantly come to my platform here too. He say she dey confused. She don't know what to do. She don't know what to do now. It's because say that is the day where she find that say her husband don't give his stepsister belle. He said that is it should be like who they pour cold water for a body. She know if she don't know what to do now. He said she dey confused. But her stepsister, you too do sha. How you go even allow that man even climb you? Talk less of say he can't give you belle. Why you go allow? Why even okay, maybe they disturb you. Why you not tell your sister? Why you not tell your sister? Instead when you can't open leg for her. You can't open your ample for her. Make that man shoky walking stick. Hi. You too do. Oh. This stepsister, you too do. Oh. Your own day, your body. If now you they do this kind of thing, so how you go feel? How you go feel? Now make many people go they fear to even carry sister near body or talk less of his stepsister. Then they talk about as girl. This one has stepsister now. This will not be as girl now. Maybe people go to say as girl that bad though, as girl. But this one has stepsister now. Eh? He say no know what to do. She they confused. She don't know that is she know like this kind of thing now. You don't go know how you go feel. You don't go know how you want to reason the thing. You don't go know because this kind of thing now own video, not for the same own video. For the thing can really happen now. So she dey confused. She need to know advice. I beg any advice when I feel give this our sister Mona give am. She really lean down. I beg. Mona advise her for what to do. He say she dey confused. He don't know what to do. Whether may she remove the belly or may she leave the belly. Because she don't look for am since. Now for me, for my own advice when me give her, I tell her say may she leave the belly. May she not remove am. Now God know why this pikin come this kind of time. And this pikin dey innocent, he don't know one, he don't know two. He say, make she not come born this pikin, and she will come dey maltreat this pikin because of what he papa do. Now I say, you not go maltreat her, my dear. Not carry that kind of thought put for that's what pikin body. Because that pikin dey very innocent, he not consign am. He not consign am. Eh? My people, what did they happen for this world, eh? If you just hear some kind of things, you go just tire. This social media life will come day now, eh? So kind of things where they happen. So the time when social media never had, then I be say many people they die in silence since so they not go fit talk. They not go fit talk. Be me sha. Una on see de una body. Una on de una body. That una work stick if you don't stand like this, you not go let una even feel resist without your woman not there. Eh? He not go let you resist when you come say na his stepsister now. He happen like on the hungry you. Eh? His sister only pot that on the hungry you. When you not come feel wait for your wife again. Ah. If you just okay to say you just parada go say I chocotalize. Eh? If you hear so kind thing, you will just choke. Hey people, what did they happen for this world, eh? He passed me, oh. Eh? We be saying a stepsister that you can't go give belly this man. Stepsister. You too do. Your own day your body. Your own day your body. You too do. Eh? You too do. How this woman go take forgive? How this woman go fit remove that kind of thing? Okay, now, you want to marry a stepsister now. You want to marry her now. That's so you can't be now. Because if your mama na bad woman, go say, just marry baby na evil snake pikin na made one. Go say, just marry him. Marry him, yes. Yeah. Some women, that's so they go talk. They go say, just marry him. Just not let anything shake you into your back. Some step mama, some women be like that. Maybe I say go they advise the pikin now. Yeah. So she don't know what to do. She they confused. I ever ask her, okay, what did the girl mama come they talk now? He say he dey pikin inside. I say yeah. Now they are way. Why you not go dey pikin inside before? Before a pikin go even get this kind of thought for it to even open leg for your husband. You know what then I ma advise her? Yeah, because he don't already say and said your husband, he dey okay too. Go just advise her. So now with the current stepsister, the neighbody, be careful, don't deny for me, my sister. Oh. You can't deny. Deny for yourself. If the way you swear now say your husband the cheat on you swear. You where they wash me now, you go swear. You don't feel swear. Yeah, you don't go feel swear. How you want you can't swear say, my husband not the cheat on me, oh. My husband not fit do this kind of thing. My dear, no swear. If you swear, this swear go only kill you throw away. No only your own mind. Your husband will forget him. just forget. I know of one woman, I say they talk. Your husband not fit shit on am. Your husband a very decent man. And this man, women when they get for outside the past them. But the woman go they tell people say, your husband, you know. If you put picture for Facebook, that you go the trip. You go even the trip for their marriage. Say, oh God, oh, give me this kind man, oh God, oh. But you don't know waiting. You should face for his house there. You understand? So me, when they are just see their body, you just did their body. Man, I supposed to cheat on my wife, If you want to cheat on your wife, not be a stepsister. Carry for her side, you see they okay. Not be say it's one way you relate to her. I don't want to pay pass now. And this girl now get belly. So if you not get any advice, I bet no insult. Or if you get any advice, what they do it before, when I say advise her, so I beg. So anything you think about this video, leave your comment for down below. Please leave your comment there. So thank you everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady Jill. Bye. Please thumbs up for me. Thumbs up. Please always like my video. Always subscribe because we bring better news come here. And press the notification bell so that if I just put any video, you go be the first person they go your notify say Lady J don't put video, Lady J don't put video. My Rama go watch because you know say we they bring better topic come here, better advice to our people. So thank you everybody and take care. Bye.